When you're busy, it can be challenging to manage your time effectively and make the most of your day. However, with some intentional planning and smart strategies, you can still achieve your goals and feel productive even when you're short on time. The keywords are planning and self-management. Take a few minutes each day to plan ahead for the next day so that you can be more efficient and make the most of your time. These are 5 most important things you should do in your daily planning. 1. Setting realistic goals and expectations. Be realistic about what you can accomplish in a day and set achievable goals for yourself. This will help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and ensure that you're making the most of the time you have available. Setting specific goals and deadlines can help you stay focused and motivated. Make sure your goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to help you achieve them efficiently. 2. Prioritize your tasks and delegate if possible. Start by making a to-do list of all the tasks you need to accomplish. Then, prioritize the tasks based on their urgency and importance. This will help you focus on the most critical tasks first and avoid wasting time on less important activities. If possible, delegate tasks to others who can handle them. This can free up your time to focus on the tasks that require your attention. 3. Batch tasks and avoid multitasking. Grouping similar tasks and doing them at the same time is good. On the other hand, grouping different tasks and multitasking at the same time could reduce productivity and increase stress levels. Therefore, focus on one task at a time, give it your full attention and complete it before moving on to the next one. Or, better still, and to be more efficient, to group similar tasks together and do them at the same time. 4. Make a schedule and use time blocking. Create a schedule for your day by using the time blocking technique and stick to it as much as possible. Time blocking is a technique where you assign specific blocks of time for each task or activity. Set aside specific blocks of time for different tasks, and stick to those time frames. This can help you stay on track and focused and avoid getting sidetracked by other things. 5. Use productivity tools and technology to your advantage. There are many productivity tools and apps available that can help you manage your time more efficiently. For example, time tracking apps can help you identify where you're spending your time and make adjustments as needed. Most of the time, planning is easy, but the difficult part is to execute the whole plan, and more difficult is to manage yourself when the plan goes wrong, or you have to face unexpected circumstances. Self-management is another important daily task you should engage in. This is to ensure you have a backup plan and early preparations to face unexpected circumstances. Here are some of the self-management tips for you to apply in facing with uncertainties while executing the daily plan. 1. Eliminate distractions. Identify and eliminate distractions that are taking up your time, such as social media or unimportant emails. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer, close unnecessary tabs, and find a quiet place to work. This can help you stay focused and avoid wasting time on non-essential tasks. 2. Learn to say no. If you're already feeling overwhelmed, it's okay to say no to additional commitments. It's important to be selective about the commitments you make. Learn to say no to requests that aren't a priority or that you don't have time for. This can help you avoid overcommitting and allow you to focus on what's most important. Learning to set boundaries and prioritize your own needs is an important part of managing your time effectively. 3. Take breaks. It may seem counterintuitive, but taking breaks can actually help you be more productive. Set aside a few minutes every hour or so to rest, stretch, or take a quick walk. This can help you recharge and come back to your work with renewed energy. Even short breaks of 5 to 10 minutes can help you refocus and be more productive in the long run. 4. Practice self-healing and learn to manage stress. Prioritize self-healing activities to relax and recharge, like getting a brief nap, meditation, and contemplation. Learn to heal and manage stress and cope with challenges in a faster and healthy way. Develop a simple way to exercise your mind and drive your motivation further, such as reading motivational quotes and lovely writings. Focus on the present moment and avoid negative self-talk. Pay attention to what's happening around you and try to stay focused on the present moment. This can help reduce anxiety and stress. 5. Reward yourself. Listening to music and watching movies or spending time in nature, whether it's a walk in the park or a hike, are certainly rewarding and can help you feel more connected to the world and develop better time consciousness. Overall, the key to making the most of your time in a day is to plan, follow the plan, and manage yourself to face unexpected circumstances while executing the plan. In planning, you should set realistic goals to achieve, prioritize, and execute your tasks according to the plan. In managing yourself, you should eliminate distractions and unimportant commitments, take breaks, practice self-care, and reward yourself. By using these strategies, you can increase your productivity and accomplish more in less time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share this video. To get more information and notification on the next self-improvement and motivational videos, please subscribe to this channel.